Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got some more news about the Sangean ATS-909x2. And this came in the form of a comment to the show I just released, and it's from the gentleman who has been reviewing this radio. I've shown you some of his reviews and told you to go to his webpage. And here's his comment right here. And he said he did receive an email back from a Sangean sales manager. And here's what he said the sales manager said. He said he's going to provide his feedback back to the group and see if they fix some of the issues. He did confirm that he expects an improved production run around the end of March, and I will be sure to receive a replacement. The issues I've noticed, he lists those which he showed us on his videos, and he goes into more detail, which I'm going to let you read. I'm not going to sit here and read all this. So I thank the gentleman for this information and keeping us up to date on what's happening on this brand new radio. This is interesting, very interesting. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.